Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off adaptive brightness, that is auto brightness in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, go to the notification area and you will see here the brightness level. So this brightness level is now set by my phone itself automatically based on the outside light conditions. Okay, because adaptive brightness is turned on. Okay, even if you increase brightness, it will not keep in that level very long time. Okay, automatically your phone screen will be adjusted. See, brightness level will be adjusted. See here. Okay, so if you would like to turn off adaptive brightness or auto brightness, and you can set your own level of brightness, yes, you can do it. Okay, what you have to do is just to turn off this button. Okay, also you have other option to turn off adaptive brightness. Okay, for that, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to display and brightness, and here you will find auto brightness. Just to turn it off. Okay, so that you can set your brightness level. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn off adaptive brightness and set your desired brightness level in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.